Order doesn't scare people because it's strict. It scares them because it's quiet. When things are orderly, there's nowhere to hide. No noise, no confusion, no excuses. Order exposes patterns, and patterns reveal responsibility. In chaos, failure is shared. In order, it's traceable. That's why calm, structured people are often misunderstood. They make others feel seen without saying a word. Order doesn't accuse, it simply reflects. And reflection is uncomfortable when you already know what you're avoiding. People aren't nervous about order, they're nervous about clarity.